Hey guys, it's Amanda, also known as Amateur Aries, and I'm doing a makeup look today. This look was requested both on my YouTube channel and my Instagram after I posted a picture. If I remember to put it here, this is the picture of this look, and a lot of people were asking about it. So this is the look, and I filmed it finally. Don't know when this will be up. It'll probably be like another month before this video up, because I got so many videos I have to edit that saved to my computer already for you guys, so I'll try to get this up soon. And I hope you guys like the look. I hope this tutorial is easy to follow. But also forgive the lips. I guess you can see they're really like scabby. That's not chocolate or anything, that's scabs. I've been chewing my lips a lot more lately because of stress. Alright, let's begin. Firstly, I'm going to prime my eyes with Maybelline's Cover Stick Concealer. This will help prevent the color from fading and also keep it from creasing. For the majority of this video, I'll be using the Too Faced Natural Eyes palette for this look, starting off with Heaven to set the concealer. This makes it an easy canvas to work with and brighten the colors that will go on top. I'm applying this all over the lid that the concealer had touched. Taking Nudie, I'm going to blend this high in my crease. This will later help the transition of darker colors. I'm using the fluffy brush by Morphe M441. Taking Nudie once again, I'm going to blend this color onto my lower lid, focusing mostly at the end of my eye. Now for Cashmere Bunny. I am blending this more into the center of my crease, focusing the color at the end and the center of my crease, using circular and windshield swiping motions. Again, going back to Cashmere Bunny, I'm going to blend this on my lower lid from the middle to the end of my lid. Taking Silk Teddy, I'm going to pat this onto my lid, starting from the inner corner all the way to about the end, leaving some space for a darker shade after. I'm then going to bring the shade down to my lower lid in the inner corner. Now using Sexpresso, I'm going to darken the look just a little by blending the shade at the very end of my eye. When majority of the color is off my brush, I may blend it towards the crease and a little into the center of the lid. Going back to Sexpresso, I'm going to darken the end of my lower lid, bring it to the middle of the lower lid when most of the color is off the brush. Taking Heaven, I'm going to brush this into my brow bone. Going to my Anastasia Nicole Guerrero's Glow Kit, I am taking Forever Lit and I'm going to sweep this around my tear duct. Now I'm going to tightline my upper lid with Laura Geller Gel Liner in After Midnight. For mascara, I'm using L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara in Black is Black. For falsies, I'm using my favorite by Kiss Lashes in Page Boy. I used two different lipsticks for this look, starting off with NYX Full Throttle lipstick in 03. The second lipstick I am using is Kat Von D's Requiem Liquid Lipstick, focusing on the middle of my bottom lip and then lining the top and middle of my top lip before popping my lips together to mix them. This gives a beautiful ombre look. And that's how you obtain this look. I hope it was easy to follow. I hope I made it simple. I used like only this palette for eyeshadow, so yes, this is more like a bedtime bedroom-y look for those girls who want to go out at night and just woo the men away. So if you like this look, like, comment, and subscribe. Also, I'll be doing more makeup videos and more mental health videos in the future. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye!